Hello everyone, this is my probably first unboxing video. Uh, Today I have, 3 days ago I have ordered Campagnola Zondas from, where did we order them from? It's like, it's Bike Discount DE, so it's German warehouse, so we'll see what we have in here. I'm really looking forward to seeing something nice in here, although I doubt that it will not be broken due to transportation or some sort like this, because it was shipped by DHL, and DHL is not the best delivery service worldwide. But yeah, so at least the box doesn't look bad or broken or something along the lines. Okay, some paperwork, which doesn't matter. Okay, so what we have in here. Campagnolo Zondas. What's this? Wheel instruction sheet, warranty, yada yada yada. Oh wait, I have a brake pads? Interesting, very nice. Spoke anti-rotation ring, magnet attaching nipple insertion. By the way, these are my first new wheels for my road bike, so it's nice. Oh, and I got a skewer. Even though I will not be using this one because it's heavy and I am not keen on using such heavy stuff. So, what else is here? Okay, these are my new jockey wheels. We'll see if, maybe I'll do a video about them later, maybe I won't, but there they are. And they are actually made in Taiwan, and they're local Radian brand or whatever they're called. So basically they're just outsourcing it. I don't know how they are. I don't expect any gains, including weight gains, but what I do expect is at least they will be working. Because my current Dura-Ace jockey wheels are eaten up, they look horrible and they're not useful anymore. So, packing does look nice, I must say. It doesn't look like it's easy to do some wrongdoing to the box itself by shipping, so I'm kind of optimistic about this. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? I'm guessing this should be the rear wheel, right? 1 second, I'll just okay, I can still hold it. It's kind of hard to do everything with one hand. So, wow, it looks nice. It looks very nice. So this is the back wheel. Final inspection shield. Okay, so I'm guessing they're doing some nice quality checks before shipping them out. What do we have in here? Final inspection chart, eggshell and radial skid, hub centering, spoke tension, la 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 la. Nice. Traceability. Okay, so it's probably traceable to the person who made it. Nice. Nice. Okay, so these are the wheels. I'll probably do some more stuff on them. So I'll write or do a review later on. So thank you for watching. And sorry guys, I forgot to unpack this one. So we'll have a quick look what's inside. I actually managed to rip open half of it. So what do we have in there? We have some kind of Okay, Shamal. No, mine is not Shamal. We got skewers. That's nice. These are some heavy skewers, so probably they are good for, I don't know for what, but for something they are. What else do we have? We have something here, and yes, it's empty. What is this? Oh. Okay, this is a spacer, made in Italy, la la la. And that's nice, that's nice. So we got skewers in here, we have some variant information, we do also have some quick release documentation and yada yada yada. Actually, I'm wondering what year is this wheel set made in? Because I'm always seeing like 2014, like you can see in here, and it's actually everywhere. But yeah, so we will see, we will see. So I guess this should be it. There's no more stuff to unpack, so thank you for watching, and I hope I'm getting a nice ride in here.